That time check was brought to you by Skin-Mate Shark Oil and Solar Life Health Invest, the plan that takes care of you in sickness and in health. And Diatabs, siguradong tapos agad ang diarrhea.
Bakit ka pa bibili ng mas mahal kung maximum fluoride protection din ang handog ng Unique Toothpaste? It's your toothpaste at your price.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, sa toothpaste na ito. Apat, lima, anim, nagkamali sa pagtikim.
Ayon sa research, 6 out of 10 Filipinos cannot tell the difference between Unique and the leading brand.
Leading brand na Unique Toothpaste.
Kaya ng leading brand ang Unique na bibigay din ng maximum fluoride protection, fresh breath, at healthy gums at approved din ng Philippine Dental Association. Pero ang Unique up to 50% more affordable. Unique is your toothpaste at your price.
Unique Toothpaste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Come to the SM Prestige Holiday Preview Sale on Thursday, October 23. Shop with your SM Prestige BDO Rewards Diamond or Sapphire at the SM Store, SM Appliance, Ace Hardware, Watson's, Toy Kingdom, Our Home, Forever 21, and other participating SM retail stores nationwide. See you on Thursday, October 23. Standard discount exclusions apply. Visit smadvantage.com.ph for more details. For DTI FTEB SPD permit number 4963, series of 2014.
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit at may malasakit. Ang Shield Bath Soap ay recommended ng Philippine Nurses Association.
Di biro maging nurse, dapat marunong sa sakit at marunong mag-alaga. Yan bang may malasakit? Kaya pagdating sa bath soap, hanap ko tulad ko, lalo't may pamilya ko.
Kaya ang gamit ko, Shield Bath Soap. Galit ito sa sakit, nagdulot ng germs. May antibacterial na pareho ng sa leading brand. At may malasakit sa skin dahil may Shea Butter Moisturizer. May malasakit din sa budget dahil super affordable. Kaya naman recommended ito ng Philippine Nurses Association.
Galit sa sakit, may malasakit.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Nurse,
Kaya ba ito ng 15 pesos mo?
mag-sweet sa bus. Facebook sa mall. Instagram sa restaurant. Email sa coffee shop.
Now it's easier to go online with the new Sun Broadband Prepaid FirstNet Life 15. Enjoy Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, email, search and chat anytime, anywhere. Lahat yan, 15 pesos lang, valid for 1 day.
Hi, at mag-sweetie try.
Sun Broadband. Consistent, fast, reliable, nationwide. Bili na ng bagong Sun Broadband Prepaid SIM sa suking tindahan nyo. Hey, that doesn't sound good. Wait, is that your car or your stomach? Actually, pareho. We're running on empty. I know where we can fill you up both.
Make a smart choice and gas up at Caltex to get 5-star benefits. Get 1 point for every 100 peso purchase. Fueling up has never been this thrilling.
Ano, happy na kayo?
Yes! Caltex Happy Points Pointers. Happy Points earned at Caltex are credited to your Happy Plus card 48 hours after fuel purchase. To use points, present card at participating Jollibee, Chowking, Red Ribbon, or Greenwich branches. Ask the cashier for HP Transfer. HP Transfer, please. It's that easy. Plus, Happy Points don't expire. Visit the official Caltex Philippines Facebook page for details. Promo runs March 31, 2014 to March 31, 2015. Per DTI permit number 1897, series of 2014.
Ang Star City, hindi lang happiness ang bigay, pati goodness.
Baby, pag good girl ka, mag-Star City tayo.
Okay, Mami. Promise, ha?
Ang Star City, part din ng celebration.
Tol, happy birthday, Tol! Para-idolyokan ka naman sa Star City, Tol!
Star City! Star City!
Ang Star City, part din ng bawat tagumpay.
Oh, sir! Na-promote ka na! Para kang nasa alapaap niyan! Dapat sakay tayo sa tallest Ferris wheel sa Star City! Diba, boss?
Star City, kasama sa lahat ng occasion. Open every day, rain or shine. Kaya sa Star City, tara na!
Star City, tara na.